The E stands for PEZ. What? What's really going on? What? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here. One person laughing extremely hard. On the PEZ Book channel, do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then... Alright, when we investigate the stems, we can see there are two different molds, even though they are made in the same country. The one here on the left, 4.9 Hungary. The one on the right, 3.9 Hungary, as so. We look up here, reverse IMC1, and reverse IMC1. Okay, those are matching up. When we look at the feet, oh, the one on the right, that is thin feet versus thick feet. Definitely a difference there. The spines look like they're raised about the same. Now the heads look almost identical, except for one thing. This one here on the left, the 4.9 Hungary, is a bright orange. This one here on the right looks like pumpkin pie. And it's not sun faded. Sometimes you can tell if the color's sun faded or not. Look on the inside where the sun can't get to. And if I can get the light in there, you can see it's all one solid color. Same with this one here. So I had about 200 of these jack-o'-lanterns sitting around. I lined them all up. This was the lightest color. This was the darkest color. When I removed everything and put them next to each other, you could see the color differences big time. Very cool jack-o'-lanterns. So there's a variation. And that's a way to find the variations. Just line up as many color combinations as you have, or line up the same dispenser, I guess you should say, to find the color combinations that you do have, so you can kind of contrast, compare which one is going to be the brightest orange and which one is going to be the dullest. And then you'll have two variations like so. But it's so hard to start with 200 dispensers. Ugh. And now, I will go get 200 more of something, so I can make one more video. So until then, which I will call next time...